Hello guys, in this video, we will explain how to solve the problem of stopping and downloading in Google Chrome or any browser you have, a very simple way. All you have to do and follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, thank you to everyone who supports me. Thank you from the heart to everyone who subscribed to the channel and shared the video. Now let's go to the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to the settings. After that, go to the applications, then click on the applications again. After that, you search for the Google Chrome browser application or the browser in which you have the problem. It is expected to download. After that, you click on it, then click on the storage, then click on clear data to reset the browser to the default settings. After that, this is the first step. The second step, my friend, is to go to the App Store and download this application that appears to you now. After downloading the application, it is free, so there are ads. We open the application interface. After that, we click on the settings icon here, then click on the download. After that, we activate this feature, which is to resume the download automatically. After that, we go back, then go to the plus sign here and we come or bring the video link or link the file that I want to download, then we write my name here and paste the link here, then we click OK or the check mark, and here we will guarantee the resumption of the download 100% in the event of stopping from the Google browser. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For inquiries, for any problems or suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.